Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to find the value of tan A plus B. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So for this one we have sine A. So we need to find the value of cosine A. That is about 1 minus sine A squared. Because this is about the quadrant number 1, that means cosine A should be about positive number. So now we put sine A 4 over 5 cone here. And we have cosine A equals to the square root of 1 minus 4 over 5 square. Because cosine A in the quadrant number 1 should be positive, that's why we need to use the positive square root. So we calculate this one and we have 3 over 5. Now we can do similar for cosine B. So because this is about quadrant number 1, so sine B should be about positive. And now we have sine B equals to the square root of 1 minus number 12 over 13 to the power of 2. So we calculate this one and we have 5 over 13. Now the next one we have the second formula, tan A, that is about sine A over cosine A. So sine A we have 4 over 5 and cosine A that's about 3 over 5. We simplify and we have 4 over 3. The next one we have tan B, that is about sine B over cosine B. About sine B, that is about 5 over 13. And the second one, that is about 12 over 13. We simplify and we have 5 over 12. Now let's go to the next one. We want to find tan A plus B. So tan A plus B, we have the formula in here. That is about tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So we have the value tan A, we have 4 over 3. Tan B, we have 5 over 12. So we calculate this one and we have 63 over 16. This is the end. Thank you for watching.